Welcome back, y'all. So we got this that Cornish hen. Look at that. You see that glaze on top of that? I'm about to show you a little bit real quick. Then I'm about to butter up my corn. I got my potatoes in the back. They're already buttered up. But look at this hen. Look at that. She came out beauty. Could be a little, yeah. Look at that. The Asian zing. Rosemary. Yeah, we like it like that right there. Asian zing. Cornish hen. Got my corn over here. About to butter it up a little bit. Let me show you how to get that done. So I use a little bit of butter that's left inside the, the pack, Let me peel this part open. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, is that steam. So we on it like that. I don't know if you can see the heat from that. The heat is coming up a lot from that. Let me get this butter ready. Get that chicken. Yeah. So you're going to butter it up like that all the way around it. So, pull the husk back, do it all the way around it, close it back up. Sometimes you might want to season it up, put some salt, pepper in there. I just like the regular natural sweetness from the corn. But, so that's what we're going to do from that. Much love, y'all. Let me get these potatoes turned around real quick. That garlic butter and, everything we put in there. Get my... Yeah, it's still a little hot. I love these little... Ooh, yeah. Let me get those turned around. So make sure you get all that butter that's coming on them. Yeah, we need all that butter. So we're just mixing it around. I'm honestly about to throw these back in for a little bit. But we're going to get those all seasoned up, buttered up. And, yeah. Hope everybody's having a good Saturday. And, you already know, come back, visit me soon. Check me out. Check all my you already know, videos, shorts. Much love, y'all. Thank you for viewing. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that.